Hey guys, so this is a storm that is in Iowa, and so it is this strong line. It is going through like Lost Nation right now, and like Tornado and Loudoun, and these are some very strong cells right there. 10th Avenue, very strong. Monmouth probably got it. Baldwin, but like, yeah. So if we go to underground weather, we could see there is a watch or warning or whatever, weather statement, winds, there's still 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts and pea-sized hail, and so it goes all the way like Devonport. Yeah, so you can see it is going north, so it is going to hit Maquoketa. Sorry if I'm saying this wrong, but yeah. Please like and subscribe if you like weather content, and look at my other videos. I have another video before this that was about a supercell in Pennsylvania. So go see that. Bye.